Lakshika Singh from class 4K. Today I speak a few lines about Rani Lakshmibai. Rani Lakshmibai is the greatest freedom fighter of India. She was born on 19 November 1829 Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh. She was now the Queen of Jhansi and she was also now Manikarnika. Her nickname was Manu. Her father name was Morpant and mother name was Bhagirathi. She was married with Raja Gangadhar, the king of Jhansi. She fought very bravely with the British to save Jhansi. Rani Lakshmibai will always stay in the heart of every Indian. Thank you.
My name is Damini. So today I am here to give a speech on topic father. So usually people talk about mother love and affection, in which father love and affection often get ignored. Mother love is talked repeatedly everywhere in movies, shows and more. Yet what we forget is to acknowledge the strength of father. Father is a blessing which not many people have in their life. It would not be wrong to say that every father is ideal person in their kid's life, but that's not the case. I can vouch for my father if it's come to being an ideal person. As everyone says that their father is different, so do I. My father is different in all aspects of life. He is quite disciplined in his all aspects of life. He taught me how to practice discipline no matter what work I do. Most importantly, the nature of my father. I love my father's jolly nature very much. He makes my mother laugh and smile every day with his silly antics even after 21 years of marriage. He acts so smoothly and beautifully around his loved ones. He tries to fulfill our all wishes but also maintain the strictness when the need arises. I love my father's nature very much that he keeps our house environment very friendly and open. Me and my sister are not afraid to talk about anything in our house of being scolded and judged. I can proudly say that my father is my first inspiration from the day one. No matter how tough the time was, I watched my father becoming tougher. I can say that my father is my real hero of my life. I can say that if I become 10% of my father, what he is now, I can achieve anything in my life and I can become successful. Thank you very much.
Sharma from class 12 PCM. I am here to present a speech on women empowerment on the speech competition. Women was given very importance in our Indian culture. Most of our gods are females. Just like the goddess of wealth is Lakshmi, the goddess of strength and power is Durga, and the goddess of wisdom is Saraswati. Women plays a very important role in the society. Our whole family depend on the woman because women plays a various role in a single woman. They play the role of mother, wife, friend, teacher, etc. Women's life was very hard because she was given less appreciation or no appreciation for their work. One of the most common reasons or the major hindrance of the women growth and advancement in our society is gender inequality. It is major in the rural areas where the men are encouraged to go to the school but females are encouraged to do the household work. Also, the divorce is offensive in Indian society, due to which many women are suffering from the abusive marriages. To empower women, we have to take many steps. Also, the government was taking many steps and many changes has come in the society. If we wish to see a nation at a global level, we have to empower the women. Quality education is key to women empowerment. Also, not only the empowerment means giving the education, it also means that women considered as a decision maker in economic and global level. Now, many changes has come in the society, just like women are getting education and coming first in every field. So not women empowerment not only means education, it is the elimination of completely gender inequality. नारी है शक्ति का संचार, नारी ही करती है आशाओं का विस्तार. Thank you everyone.